What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Monet, and I'm back with another video. How y'all doing today? I'm doing good. I'm doing great. Just wanted to do a vlog for y'all today because it's like I need to put out a video every week for y'all, and it's all about consistency. So here I am. I keep looking over there because he's walking out the door and I know he's gonna say something like, what are you doing? And I'm making a video because I just need to make a video. And so today, I'm not really doing too much of nothing. We finna go get some food, and I keep looking around because there's just a whole lot going around with me. But we finna go get some food, and I gotta put my license plate on because look at this shit. Like, my license plate is off because a lot been happening, and my side mirrors are late, and it's just like in my freaking window because I didn't hit it off and stuff. But I got some new plates, and then look at my side mirror. My side mirror just got knocked off, so I'm riding around looking tacky. So we finna get fixed. I can't even get it together right now, but I'm still finna post this video, even though I'm gonna sound to look crazy. But whatever. Like, I don't know what, maybe I need some food. He's doing. Since he wanna be in my vlog, let's just put him in it. And he can be like, why are you recording me?
You say you know my days, I do them all the time. We are going where the money reside, where the money reside, where the money reside. Where the money reside, where the money reside, where the money reside.
I got the stuff right there. I'm doing a video. Let's do a vlog. We're gonna show them when we finna get our food up from and stuff.
Flip it so, you know, light shit, right shit. You know, today Yeezy Day, you saw those slides? Today Yeezy Day, you know, light shit, right
Big
shit.
Yeezy gang going on. You know what the fuck going on, man. You already know, bro. So he finna fix my license plate because I did a whole lot of shit. Where can I get another mirror from?
From like, I don't know, bro.
But like the one like this?
Bro, I need a jacket, bro, because it's windy than a bitch.
I know, but like the one like this?
Yes, bro. Remember your other mirror came off? Your Camry?
Yeah, but that was just a stick-on one.
Okay, it's going to be another stick-on.
No,
I need... Bro, that's all that shit is a stick-on.
No, it got hooks, but I broke that top hook off, so that's why it fell off when I tried to put it on there. It's hooks. You see them little holes, them 4 holes?
Where the pliers at, brody?
I'm about to show y'all my plates I got. Your girl got some new plates. Well, we didn't put them on yet. So this is going to be on the front. Little flower. And this is going to be on the back. Little diamond. Oh, I should name my bitch Diamond. My car should be named Diamond. Or Crystal. Crystal?
Crystal meth.
Crystal, because she like a gold. She like a gold. Like, you know? Like, what should she be named? What should she be called? Then we putting some better plates on her. Look, she got boo-boo. I gotta clean her. That screw was just stuck right there. Put my plates on. Put my plates on.
All right, fine ass nigga.
Nigga talk about I talk too much in my video. Okay, what you supposed to do? Be quiet. I would look so weird if I didn't talk. Like I said, to my plates, nigga. To my plates. You got all the screws? So we doing. Beach. Corvette. Hopping on my like that. Why you talk like that? He don't even know what he doing. Corvette. But I'm gonna hit y'all when we on to our next thing. We put on my plates on right now. Look at her. We're gonna clean her up and get her nice. I'll put that over so y'all can't see my license plate. Fix her up today. You doing the back one? How you feel? It's hella windy. Y'all probably can't even hear us because it's wind from the block. Reporting live from California. We in 70 mile per hour wind. It's like crazy weather out here right now.
I like that stops right here. Stupid ass. You seen that shit? That shit. Damn.
That's funny. We are in 70 mile per hour wind. It was just fire last night too. I don't know, but people recorded a fire. California freaking weather is crazy. I'm kind of over it. Y'all probably can't even hear me. It's probably hella windy. You taking forever to put these plates on. What I do? What I do? What I did? They want me to do this. I don't know how to do it. INDEPENDENT. Do you know what that means? She got her own house. She got her own car. 2 jobs work. Come on, you grab. Can we just do this? Because I kind of want my back to be blinging. I kind of want it. Because I'm finna wash her and I'm finna get my side mirror and the heck of stuff.
Look at this shit. This shit gonna take hella long. This shit is
okay, I'm finna help him. Pussy. We on our way to our favorite food pot now. Where we going?
Flipping soul in the motherfucking Dubs, nigga. The murder Dubs.
Flipping soul. What you finna get? I think I
I'm
want.
getting steak and shrimp. Can I get 2?
You want steak and shrimp?
You know what the fuck I mean? Steak and salmon. You know that protein, baby. That protein. You gonna turn, my guy? Turn, my nigga.
I think I want pasta, salmon, steak, and macaroni and cheese. I don't know why. I just want that. That just sounds so good.
It feels good.
I'm trying to think what I really want. I will see y'all when we get there. I'm trying to think about what I want. I know I want double mac and cheese though.
I want double everything.
So we just ordered our food. I got New York steak, salmon, mac and cheese, and a half a crab. And then what you get? 2 salmon, steak, and rice.
Can't get 2 steak.
Huh? Oh, you want 2 steak too?
I'm just
I was gonna say, oh, niggas
some of
just.
your steak, cause I know you don't eat all your steak.
Yeah, cause that's really steak be hurting my teeth, and it be getting in my teeth, and it makes my teeth hurt. Oh fuck! I should have brought some floss.
That's on my car.
Steak really be hurting my teeth. It don't hurt your teeth? It be getting stuck in my teeth.
You know what get on my nerves?
Well,
fucking popcorn.
yeah, that's irritating.
I'm ready.
Cause then the little kernels be getting like wrapped around my teeth and in between my teeth and shit, or it's stuck on my roof somehow. So we just wait on this food. Oh, I can't wait to eat this food. Yo, this food's so good. If you ever come to the Bay, Flipping Soul is your place. Flipping Soul, baby. 2101. Where we at? East 14th Street.
14th and East 14th Street. No, 14th and East 21st.
14th and East 21st. I was calling it East 14th Street, shit. Fuck, I'm at. But yeah, we finna wait on this food. This food's so good. We keep eating this shit.
Look at the grizzly people something.
Oh, you want to? Okay, I'm gonna let y'all know when we get our food because we finna go on a date. What's a date? Gang gang. What happened with that wind? Look. Damn. It took this down. It took a tree down. And it took my fence down. That don't make no sense. So we at the lake. We just want to come to the lake because it's gonna take forever to go to Grizzly Peak. We got our food up there. I'm so excited. It smells so good. So we're about to eat our food before we gotta get amazing. I don't want to share this with him, honestly. You know I ate Rocky and crawfish last night when he was asleep.
I would too.
What's this on there? What's this? What they gave me?
That's macaroni and cheese.
That's my macaroni and cheese. Ooh! Get this macaroni and cheese, girl. Ooh! Child. Where else you stopping at? Why it seem littler? Your steak looks better though.
I like the old steak.
What, the ribeye?
Yeah, they be more saucy.
No, that's the one we always get.
just got to have more sauce.
That's what I got. Oh, they give you hella mac and cheese. He didn't tell me that. Why he didn't tell me they fill it up? Because I never get mine filled up both ways. Now I just got hella mac and cheese. I'm kind of irritated, but look at this food. Crab, steak, salmon, and mac and cheese. I'm hella mad I got all this mac and cheese, though. That's hella irritating. I'm going to cook it up regardless. Make me another meal later. Let me take a thumbnail. But, so we finna sit here. Eat our food. Yeah, taste test it. Why are you doing like that? Steak, my teeth hurt. What's up? I'm in mad. Oh yeah. Gonna eat our food. And then we're gonna do. Get Mace. Are we going to the Polo store?
Yes.
We're going to the Polo store. Pink lemonade all day, no regular lemonade. Why is my key on the floor? Ooh, this food's so good. This is this crab though. I've been wanting crab for so long. I got some last night, but it wasn't like. Okay. I never had the crab. I got the white sugar. Got me some garlic butter. I'm real clumsy. Real clumsy like. So we're gonna eat. You don't wanna go?
I do, but I like when you were at 100. You know?
I am at 100. I'm just gonna take a nap. I'm so full.
Let's go tomorrow, for real.
Tomorrow? Alright.
You wanna go tomorrow? Let me know.
No, we can go tomorrow.
'Cause I'm late.
So what we finna do?
What you wanna do?
Nothing. I don't know. Ain't nothing to do. Finna get Mace. I'm full, bro.
You'll go fly a kite. Shit, this is kite weather.
Definitely kite weather. I'm too full to think right now. I just want to take a nap. That's sad.
I'm gonna go home and get my money. I'm not gonna time to do that.
For what?
Go to that store.
Why is my hair dry right there like that? I'm over this hairstyle.
You got no time or no?
Yeah, we can go. I'm really over this hairstyle though.
Over Lorna.
Yeah, it's not cooperating.
Where the money reside. We are going. Where the money reside. Where the money reside. Where the money reside. Where the money reside.
We are going to get Mason. What? What's so funny?
He's hella funny.
Oh, he is. The girl you sent me hella funny too, because she was on point.
She was on point more than hello.
Bitch, I'll make it. God. That's how full I am.
Hella bad yesterday. Like, he was just sitting up, was not sitting well.
That's okay. We're gonna get Mason. Look at our fins.
Damn.
Look at our fence. Wait, I can't even see.
Damn, you can see all in y'all, like.
Look, the whole gate is gone.
Do your mama and them know?
Yes, that's what happened. It must have felt last time Mama was saying, I'm gonna go have me a drink. She was irritated. Because we just got this gate fixed.
That side, yeah. The fuck?
What side?
That side.
No, but they did, like, nailed it in some more or something. Cause it was really finna fall over like
cheap
this.
as fuck, obviously.
Cheap as fuck?
No, they was not y'all. The people
Oh, we got
was.
Mace. Say what's up, Mace.
What's up, Mace?
Right. He gonna say what's up. How was daycare?
Well, I be sick.
How was daycare, Mason?
What y'all gonna do? Like,
Iris, it was
y'all
good.
gonna put caution tape or what? Like,
I'm finna move Mace's toys to the back. I'm gonna have to clean Boo Boo back up the back. Oh, look, the door fell off.
the wind just had this weight. Having my way with this shit.
Like the whole door. Looking right there, like.
You know, just about, y'all gotta move them chairs too, cause what that shit blow and it hit the. Oh,
Right there, it was a door, and then this is just gone. We're gonna move with chairs.
Y'all gotta move them like hard chairs, and if it hit the glass, it's over with.
Oh god,
Shit.
the wind really had it. The wind had its way with us. Like this is earthquake weather. Now I'm thinking about it. It's been hot.
Shit.
It's been hot for 2 days,
Look,
and then
nothing wrong with that.
and then the other, and then the other night. Oh, it looked like her shit falling off too. Then the other night, our power just randomly went out. Now we wake up and our fence is just gone. Like, what the what?
Then the wind took the shit off the
car. They
said, man, bring that bitch out.
This is crazy. Oakland was crazy. That tree coming out of the root. I wish I could have
got shit compared to that fucking fist.
No, that tree coming out of the root of the ground,
Yeah,
like
your fence is like, look at this old ass shit. Ain't nothing wrong with this old ass shit.
yeah, some of these shit blew down.
Man, hell no, nigga. Not like
I
y'all
did
shit.
see it. Look, that tree fell down.
Damn.
You trying to make it seem like our shit worse than everybody. When Oakland, a whole tree came out the ground. Like
Everybody's fence, like y'all whole fence is like, you can see.
it just like fell over. Like it didn't break. Like it just fell over.
Like it just in the club. The fuck?
He ain't cool, bro. But my face look dry. This wind is drying me out.
Nigga
Like
said anything. Oh look, throw this in our room.
I'm not
Look,
saying
throw this in my room.
dirty ass.
You gotta be playing
Yeah.
old school
It's
leather.
Corona. We're not doing none of that. And it is. I feel like my face is dry because it's windy and it's cold. I should put extra oil on today. I need to give me some Lubriderm. I hope that's good. For your face.
Lubriderm, sorry, lubricant. Fuck.
Lubriderm.
Ain't nobody else fucking with y'all shit though, like.
Boy, Oakland, a whole tree came out the roof. So try again. Like, don't do us.
Oh, we gotta get
Oh, look. And fell down. It's definitely finna be an earthquake. Because ain't no way.
This is to the club, my nigga.
Just get ready. Oh, it's windy. Listen to that. It's so windy. We just driving around looking at everybody's stuff falling down. Everybody trees coming off the ground. People better. That's like this tree fell over and hit somebody's car, and it took up the ground.
We got a strong contestant right there, though.
But that tree been fell down. People need to start cutting these trees down.
With y'all shit.
People need to start cutting their trees down. Forget the gate. I'm worried about trees.
Man, fuck all, we need trees though, nigga.
Yeah, but the big ones that's gonna knock down they shit.
To the club.
Damn, he had hella McDonald's.
That nigga eat sleep. He got a McDonald's membership. The fuck?
We don't got nothing to do. We're not doing nothing. I think I'm gonna end this video right here. Look at my face. It looks so dry.
Your mama tried to open it, you ain't even want her to open it.
Right. What up, Mace? Oh, you not talking to us? Oh. I'm cracking up. He said. I said, you know what he said?
That awkward stare.
Oh, daddy. Oh, so happy to see your daddy. Whatever. But we finna go to another store. I'm finna end this right here because it's like we're not doing anything, but
We checking out fences, that guy.
I just wanted to do a
What if a tree fell on
a video for y'all.
on these apartments right here?
What if it was what?
What if trees like fell on these apartments? What if a tree fell on the freeway?
See, I don't want to talk about it. This is earthquake weather. Well, I'm about to end this video right here. Thanks for watching my video.
Like and subscribe.
Give this video a like and thumbs up. Comment down
We get 100
below.
views, we're gonna do the next challenge or prank.
don't like pranks. Pranks is hard. I don't like
I
pranks.
don't play that shit. Don't play with me like that.
So,
Where
yeah.
the money reside, where the money reside, where the money reside, where the money reside.
Thanks for watching this video. Give us a thumbs up, like. Thanks for giving us a video, watching this video. Give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below.
Do the thumbs up.
Subscribe,
Let's get 100 likes. Then we're going to do a
on,
prank on
and
Momo.
I'm out. I'm out.